everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing the BH avocado toast. 16 colors. And they're like the pink lemonade one. I don't know what's really called. And then, you know, they come out with these 16 pans. So here's like a different one. Summer in St. Tropez or something like that. Tropez. BH trending in Tokyo. This one I think is far my favorite, but now that we are going into a fall time, I thought this would be great with wearing greens. So I had my boyfriend get this for me. So I want to flip it upside down. I kind of want to use this probably ripe. And they are really nice, soft formula. And it goes on like that. And that is just from like one swatch. From that. Probably want to go into, I like that green. Avo toast. They have some cute names. The first one was ripe. And then Avo toast. Really cute greens in here, and I probably want to dig into, they have green juice that shimmers, so you have like shimmers and mattes in here. Shimmer. BH, I love the formula. I think that's like the most top of my favorites. So here's some swatches. I don't know if I'm gonna dig into all of them. I just want to give you a swatcheroo. Okay, I should start doing my eyes. Okay, I want to dig into this pink salt, the only pink shade in there for, you know, my crease. I don't want to make this video way too long, but we'll see. It's like giving me troubles when I like upload it the regular used to way. Like, I don't want to upload the video until like 2 hours later. So I'm like, okay, whatever. And then I'm gonna get the paprika shade. And this was only $18, not too bad. If you like the formula, it's a must, you know. I really do enjoy BH Cosmetics. It's like the only first palette I've ever gotten. I fell in love with my first palette, and that's the first edition. 120 shadows. That was like awesome. And then I want to go into try this teal color. It's called GUAC, which I don't know what that is. I'm just gonna dig it into that color. Oh, that is so pretty. So yeah, Ulta has some new things inside the store. So I picked up this, even though I wanted the ABH Norvina Pro Pigment, like the pink. I think that's like the first. And I'm like, it went up to like $30. I was like, you know what? I like the BH Cosmetics one. I'm gonna like ABH. They're like 14 pan one. I like theirs. In the future, I can always order it from eBay for like $20 anyways. If I really decide I need a hit pan really on shadows, that's why I'm like slowly like gravitating not to wear or buy any more palettes. I'm just like holding off. I'm like, I'm glad my boyfriend's buying me palettes. a lot, you know. And he's really supportive. He likes, oh, what'd you wear today? And I'm like, oh, I'm wearing what you got me. That type of thing. I'll be right back. I am back and I can't decide if I want haze or lemon pepper. I might do haze. The shimmer green right here. And I used to wet my brush a lot, and now I just stopped because I'm like, you know what? I do like the pigmentation that it naturally gives. You just need primer. Eye primer or, you know, concealer. I was doing concealer and that like dried out my eyes on my lids, and I was like, no, I don't want that. So I just use eye primer and that works just fine. It doesn't dry out my eyes at all. Doesn't irritate them like it used to concealer irritates me. And I used it for a while and I was like, no. And this is from wearing a mask because my mask just like sits on my face right there, and that's where I got that little guy at. Don't like it at all. So I think, oh, that looks so cute. I'm gonna blend it in and try to figure out what I want in my inner corner and underneath. Inner corner, I'm gonna go in with this avocado. One word, I know. And I'm going in like the inner portion of it, in my eye. I might do holy moly and spicy. So the holy moly is down here, like this black shade, the matte black shade, and spicy, the shimmer shade down there. I'm gonna go with holy moly. Probably like in the outer portion. And then spicy on top. So it gives like that pigmentation. I'll figure out whether I want to do the rest. Okay. Pit and expensive. They are expensive. My doctor told me to start eating avocados, and I said, heck no. I said, can I eat something else? She said, well, there's not really anything else because you gotta have a good fat, and that's pretty much it for the good fat. I said, well, I'm eating cashews. She said, no cashews. So I was like, I'm very picky with my, you know, foods. So she said, okay, you can do the almonds. So yeah, I don't know why I put that there. I'm not ready for that eye yet. I'm putting expensive on top and kind of mixing them together. And I'll do the other eye in I finish up my other eye. Just use black eyeliner, mascara. This palette is really good. Very pigmented. Very nice. I don't have anything bad to say about BH because this is my like favorite brand. $18 for this at Ulta. I think you can buy it like online still, but it's finally in store if you want to pick it up in store. Beautiful fall colors. I tried to, you know, use a lot of this palette today just to show you. I added a little more stuff. I added these and these. And what I do with like stuff like these cream shadows is I get this brush and I like stamp it on. And I stamped it on pretty good. Might have to fix it up a little, but that's what I do with cream shadows. I just like stamp it and it gives it really like brightening in the inner corner. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. Bye for now.